Experiencing data issues with Spectrum Mobile on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. Spectrum Mobile, which operates on Verizon's network, can sometimes face connectivity problems due to network expansions, device updates, or incorrect settings. This video will guide you through common causes and solutions to get your data working again. Data issues are commonly caused by recent 5G expansions, which sometimes cause issues with APN resets on some iPhones and Android devices. It is important to understand that 90% of these issues are due to software glitches, so the troubleshooting steps are easy to implement. This overview shows how to identify and resolve Spectrum Mobile data connectivity problems on both platforms. The most common fix involves checking your APN settings, which is the gateway for your device to connect to Spectrum's network. For Spectrum Mobile, the default APN is Internet. On iPhones, resetting network settings often resolves the issue. Navigate to Settings, General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, then reset network settings. Android users have more manual control via Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, access point names where you can add or edit APN profiles. Also ensure your SIM card is properly seated. Toggling airplane mode on and off can help. For 5G issues, try forcing LTE if 5G is unstable. Contact Spectrum support at 1-833-488-7363 or visit spectrum.net/support if problems persist.